Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make my healthy taco salad with cilantro lime vinaigrette. This recipe has everything you love about tacos wrapped up into a healthy, flavorful salad. We're gonna start by marinating some chicken tenders. There's a pound of chicken tenders here in my bowl, and I'll add in a tablespoon of olive oil, the juice from 2 limes, and then a teaspoon of chili powder, a half teaspoon of cumin, and then a 1/4 teaspoon each of cayenne pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and salt. Give this a quick stir together, just enough to combine it, and then we'll set this aside while we get everything else ready, including our cilantro lime vinaigrette. Place 2 cups of cilantro leaves into a food processor and add in 1/3 cup of extra virgin olive oil, the juice from a lime, and a tablespoon of red wine vinegar. Season it with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then blend it together. Pour your dressing into a serving container, and then make sure that you have all of your toppings for your salad ready to go. For toppings, you'll need sliced red onion, corn, sliced olives, red kidney beans, an avocado that we'll slice up, and 2 Roma tomatoes that we'll also slice up. Next, it's time to grill up our chicken. You can do this on an outdoor grill, or you can do it in a frying pan on the stove. Today, I'm using my cast iron grill pan. Get a heavy skillet or grill pan heating over medium-high heat, and spray it with nonstick spray so your chicken doesn't stick. Lay your chicken tenders right in there, and let them get cooking. The reason I use chicken tenders in this recipe is because they cook so fast. These will need only 2 to 3 minutes per side. Flip them over and make sure the other side gets cooked too. Once these are done, we can put together our salad. Start with a bed of mixed salad greens, and then add on some of your chicken, beans, corn, olives, tomato, red onion, and avocado. That is one delicious salad, and it's easy to make too. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and check out my other great video recipes. There's over 100 restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home, so go check them out. You're gonna love them. For now though, we'll see you later.